Hello, hello. Today is day 19. Yet again, starting a bit late. Seems to be a bit of a habit now. Ooh, interesting. So there seems to be one different line of output from the rest. Gear Island. Yeah, I think that was just from last year actually. That's a pretty recent one. If you arrange a towel, they'll let you in for free. They've provided a list of designs. You can use any towels you want, but all the towel stripes must match. Okay. The top is all the possible ones. Okay, I have a feeling part 2, these are gonna expand like 5x what they are. But for part 1, I don't think it's too bad. We can do... what is it called? Available? Yeah, we can split on comma space. Do in.next line to get rid of that line, and then store all the rest. We'll edit the name slightly. Okay. And then for each towel, it's just if it's possible or not, right? Yep. Cool, so now we just need a method that will tell us if it's possible or not. My basic idea is we can just do this recursively. I think that should work for the size of this input. I guess the obvious thing is if towel, it's completely empty, we're done. There's no dot contains call, huh? Okay, I'm going to actually use a list so I can use dot contains. Actually, that's not super important. We can just do this to check if it's in there rather than dot contains. And then if it starts with it, we can do what can I do? Something like that. Ooh, I do not like to see that. Yeah, it's not great. Seems to be a lot of repetition as well. I can account for that at least. We'll want to do a map. So we can do is if dot contains key. So if it already contains it, we can just do scene.get. Otherwise, we'll want to do a scene.put. Nice. There's certain they don't want. Give them every possible option. Okay. So if it's possible, if part 1, we just add 1. Else we need to do the number, which can be a separate one. Possibilities, maybe. We'll do a long, although I seriously doubt we'll actually hit that range. Also, available seems to be getting used everywhere, so I'm going to make it public. Cool. So in this case, if it's empty, we return 1, I think. And then we gotta change this to possibilities. But I think the concept stands. And this can be long result equals 0. Actually, I don't think we need this to be a separate case, because if it's equal to, it also starts with. That's not expected. If tau starts with A, then return tau.substring. That should be right? I don't know how it can possibly be 0. Oh, oops. Oh, maybe it's good I used a long. Okay, wow, very, very fast day. This was much more reminiscent of like a day 2 than a day 19. Honestly, I've been very off with my guesses on how hard each day is. But you know, I won't complain about this day being easy given some of the duties before. I feel like I said that yesterday as well. Even better today, I've barely any code to clean up. I mean, sure, I probably didn't need to use separate methods for the two. Scene and possibilities, they're so similar, it's literally just changing a long to a boolean, that there's probably some way to just do it all at once. Honestly, we can probably just do part one, number towel greater than 0. Oh, I guess this would probably never finish if it's impossible, huh? Oh, no, it'll just return 0. Yeah, it should be fine. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah, this actually makes sense. I can't do that, right? It would be this is a boolean. I guess I'd have to nest it one more layer in. Does this work? Yeah, it does. Okay. There's probably a better way to express that rather than a nested ternary, but this does mean we don't need possible anymore. Nice. Okay, yeah, very clean code today. There's just not much of it. But yeah, see you tomorrow.